I love the cast members on the Disney cruise ships. Some of them I love more than others. I don't hate any of them, but there's definitely a ranking. We had a cruise director that is now my favorite person to listen to. I'm gonna tell you why in this video, and you have to watch this video because you have to agree with me. You have to listen and agree. Disney Cruisers, hello, my name's Ashley. Thank you for still watching this video because I need to know your opinion on this. If you like the show The Office, give me a thumbs up down below. If you don't like the show The Office, you must be watching it wrong. I don't know. No, that's okay. You can have your own opinion, but I mean, it's amazing, right? I think I've watched it all the way through about 20 times. Even when it was first on air, like on actual TV with commercials and stuff, and you had to watch from a certain time, like 9 to 9:30, I even back then bought all the DVDs for it. So then I could watch it whenever I wanted, before Netflix was a thing and before DVR was a thing. I've been obsessed with The Office for my entire life. No, that's not true. Why did I say that? I've been obsessed with The Office since it first came out. That probably makes more sense, right? Feels like my entire life. It's my entire life right now. It's all I've been watching. Season 3 is my ultimate favorite, but I know this is not an Office video. It's a Disney Cruise video, so I'm gonna stop talking about it. On your Disney cruises, your cruise director will come over the announcement system and say lots of nice things and fun things and exciting things. They also play the chime. It's the chime that I have at the beginning of my videos. That's also the same chime that I have for my text messages. Like, that chime is in my life all the time. But they'll do the little chime and then they'll come over and talk. They'll talk about like the day, the activities, what's expected, when the gangway's open, when you're at port, lots of different things they say. Our cruise director, 100% sounded like Andy from The Office. What's his name in real life? I have no idea what his name is in real life, and I'm filming on my phone, so I can't look it up. What's Andy Bernard's, what's the actor's name? You have to tell me, so write it down, because I know you know. I know, I'm just having a brain fart. So I'm gonna play these clips of our cruise director coming over the speaker system, and I don't know, well, you can't really see him, so it probably doesn't matter, but like if you need to, close your eyes, turn the volume up, and just listen, and then picture Andy, like it is Andy. So check this out.
Andy Bernard, Regional Director in charge of sales. Again, if you have any questions, the guest services desk is located on deck 3 midship. Team will be happy to assist, but let me repeat that. Guests under the age of 18 are required to have a parent, guardian, or other responsible adult sign an authorization form at the guest services desk if they wish to go ashore unaccompanied or with any adult from any other stateroom other than one they are registered to, including if it's a parent. Again, guest services is located on deck 3 midship, and the team will be very happy to assist you. Now, if you booked a port adventure for today, I do ask you to listen very carefully at this time, as several of our port adventures have been canceled for the day. This is due to...
Okay, come on, right? Like, am I right? Is that totally him? Oh my goodness. Okay, so tell me what you think. Does it sound like him? Am I off my rocker? Help me with my life. So now, like in my rankings of cruise directors, he's a step up, because that's really cool. Every time he came on, I would like run, because after the first day, they don't really come into your cabin and talk unless there's an emergency, like there always seems to be on mine. There's been fires, the lights went out in this last one. For some reason, there's always some type of like problem on my cruises that they have to come into the cabin and talk about. But normally after that first day, they say, you know, because people are sleeping, you have different schedules, you can hear the announcement play through the TV, but you could also hear it by going out to common areas like the hallway, stuff like that. This last cruise, like I never do this, but this last cruise, every time I heard the chime come on, I like ran straight to the hallway so I could hear him talk, just because I wanted to hear him talk. I didn't even care what he was saying. Like, he was naming all the activities. I already had my activities planned. I didn't need to hear them. I just wanted to hear him talk. It's like Disney, you think you're the best, and then you go and hire Andy Bernard. What? Disney rocks. Thank you for clicking on this video. Click on one of the other ones that are popping up next to me or on top of me or beside me. I don't know where I'm putting them. So, thank you. I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo, cruisers.